What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we had this movement to the upside, but I warned you that we might hit lower targets. And first of all, we should have some kind of reaction at this previous bottom. It is a swing low from the very bottom where we had this movement to the upside, and it is the lowest point. And as you can see, we have this reaction and we bounced to the upside for more than 10%. But then we went even lower. We had, as you can see, we had another reaction from this range that I marked previously as well. It is the top of our swing highs right here back in the days on February 2021. And it acts also as a support line, but it wasn't so strong as you might think. And we went even lower. And I also told you that we shouldn't break the top of our first wave in order to remain in motive wave, in order to have our major targets right here as the targets for the next leg to the upside. Unfortunately, we broke this resistance slash support. And for now we are hovering below this range. This means our targets are invalidated and I don't need them anymore. And I don't need this scale for now because we don't have lowest point, and in my opinion we might have one more leg to the downside. So, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news and let's take a look what was the reason of this massive sell-off. And let me show you this article. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on January 27th, and it's titled "Why did Lucid Group stock plunge today? EV stocks are losing their growth premiums." And let me quote you this. Lucid Group is down 14.1% amid a deep sell-off in electric vehicle names like Tesla, Fisker, Nikola and Rivian Automotive. Tesla's warning that supply chain issues may persist in 2022 added to the cautious stance that investors have been taking on EV stocks since the start of the year. On a broad basis, the potential for higher interest rates is seen cutting into some of the higher EV premiums based off discounted future cash flows. And I think it is the main reason why we have the sell-off around the EV manufacturers and high growing stocks. Definitely, when the leader says that they will have some supply issues in upcoming year, definitely all minor manufacturers will have the same issues as well, and it will impact their potential growth. On top of that, the increase in interest rates will drastically reduce the DCF numbers for the companies, and that's why we have this massive sell-off. So, and what are the news from Lucid itself? We don't have much news on their press release section. We have on January 27th this announcement that Lucid to open latest studio location in Newport Beach, California. And here is the press release itself, and definitely it is a very good add-on to the number of their existing studios. And here is the list of these. And let me show you that on their official Twitter page they posted a lot of pictures and videos from this new studio, and definitely it is a good sign in general for the company that they are expanding in California, and I have to say that they are expanding worldwide. Let me show you this tweet. On January 27th, they posted this. "We are expanding internationally. Visit one of 20 Lucid Studio, sales and service locations and see where we are headed next. Find one near you at lucidmotors.com locations." And let me show you that right here. You can find all the spots that are existing right now and that are about to be opened in foreseeable future. So definitely they will expand their presence in Saudi Arabia and in Europe as well, and that is a very good sign. But rather than that, we don't have any news related to their deliveries. And I have to say that for now, in 2022, they have to deliver about 20,000 vehicles. And if you divide 20,000 by 365, you will have about 55 vehicles per day that should be delivered in order to reach this target. And let me show you that we have the latest information from Bear's workshop. And since I made my previous video, he posted several pictures about their parking lot. And right here you can find on January 25 this tweet. Here's the car count for today at Lucid Motors. 145 total cars, 15 more than Friday. Looks like some have moved out on the car haulers. 3 are already loaded. Both Nikola and Lucid flyover videos coming shortly. Next one was made, let me show it to you, right here on January 27th. And he posted, today's car count was 131 cars in the waiting area. Next one, right here on January 29th. Today's car count at Lucid is 115. We are seeing at least 16 new cars and 20 cars taken away. This is our low estimate based on parking. Nikola and Lucid flyovers later today. And definitely they are working to increase their production rates, but we want to see their numbers. And definitely I think we will see them only on their earnings report that will take place in a couple of weeks. And that's why we still have a lot of bearish pressure on this company. Let me show you that on Smart Money list we have several companies that closed their positions, as you can see, but also some of them just opened new ones. And I have to say that despite of these 4 closed positions, $212.8 million, next one, $23.2 million, $14.4 million, $13 million, next one, $45.7 million, next one, $28.4 million, and $150.7 million. And definitely huge increase in interest from institutional investors, and they all want to be a part of this journey, and that's why the sentiment is still bullish. But you have to remember that the real action was taken not at the end of January, but it was taken about 45 days prior this filing date. And that's why they added their position somewhere, let me show you from current level. They added their position right in the golden pocket, where I suggest you to enter your position for the long term with this asset. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we have the bottom of our 4th wave right here for now, but I cannot count on this breakdown, because we have the lowest point for now at this very range, and in my opinion we still have one more small leg to the upside, and then we have to retest at least the same range, the same bottom, or we might go even lower. And if you want to enter your swing trade position, in my opinion, it is too early to open any swing trade positions because we don't have enough confirmation of next uptrend. But if you want to invest, you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle, because let me show to you. We have this range as I marked previously. It is $24.25. It might act as a support as well. And the bottom of our second wave is right here. And it is our next crucial range, because if we will break this bottom, it will invalidate the third wave to the upside. And in this case, we cannot count on this movement to the upside as our third wave. And that's why we cannot count on the next leg to the upside to form our 5th wave. And definitely I have to change the color of this line, because it is crucial line and it has to be in red. And this is the next crucial point that we shouldn't break in order to remain at least 50% bullish. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!